In today's fast paced world, it's easy to buy anything you desire with the convenience of credit. It has become a gateway for achieving dreams like buying a home, starting a business, or enjoying life's luxuries. But with great convenience comes great interest too. Did you know 30% of Indians struggle with high interest credit card debt, often leading to financial strain? But what is debt? Debt is borrowed money you promise to pay back with interest. It can range from short term credit to long term loans. While debt can be a useful financial tool, managing it effectively is essential to avoid pitfalls. A simple STSP formula can help you manage it. All you have to do is remember to 1. Spend wisely. 2. Track expenses. 3. Set limits. 4. Pay back on time. Here are some tips for paying off your debt smartly. Pay off high interest debt first. Use fewer credit cards to avoid confusion. Create and follow a strict repayment plan. Merge debts to reduce your interest rates. While managing debt, a budget can be your best friend. Preparing a plan with funds directed towards debt repayment can help you regain control of your money and focus on financial stability. Remember, high debt affects more than just your financial health. It impacts your overall well-being. To maintain a healthy financial life, regularly review your financial status. Stay disciplined with your budget. Manage your debt wisely. Seek professional help. Being proactive about your finances is key. Managing debt sets you on the path to financial freedom and a stress free life.